really good we were given this opportunity to have a little hands-on knowledge of what we've been taught earlier throughout our course of study.
I've been able to get to know how I can connect, how the sensors around there work, how the lights are configured and stuff.
So we didn't just see these things, we went ahead to program them. So it was very helpful knowledge-wise.
Everything here has been simplified and you've been given the knowledge and being able to do it on your own.
I can't tell right now the exact skills, but I think it can help me in a broad way. As software engineering is in programming, it adds up electronics, there is robotics.
So basically, when you go into the Arduino software and you open the pinning mode, you find where they write DDR, and then they just write the function where you feed in the value you want, and then that's it for you. Okay.
So by using this, maybe I can come up with a real good thing that can help me in my final year project. Probably it could even land me a job if it's like a very, very big thing.
Maybe they can give us like certificate or something so that we can use those for our CVs, like when we go out there to apply for jobs.
So when you go back, try to TME in Nigeria, and maybe get the experience there.
Yeah, of course.